Alright, let's solve this together. It says 5 raised to power n plus 5 raised to power n is equal to 1250. Let's solve for the value of n in this question, okay? Now, first thing we can do here is to say that when we have something, this is 5 raised to power n and this is 5 raised to power n, is the same number, okay? So because 5 raised to power n and 5 raised to power n are the same numbers, we can just say that this is now factoring out 5 raised to power n into 1 plus 1 to be equal to 1250. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, multiplied by 5 raised to power n to be equal to 1250. Alright, now 5 raised to power n here will now be equal to 2 into 12 is 6, 2 into 5 is 2, remember 1. Okay, now 2 into 10 is 5. Okay, now this will now be 5 raised to power n to be equal to 6 to 5. Now 6 to 5, as we know, 6 to 5 is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is equal to 5 raised to power 4. So we can say that 5 raised to power n here will now be replaced with 5 raised to power 4, okay, for 6 to 5. When we strike this and strike this because the bases are equal, we now have that n is equal to 4. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.